Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize your marketing audit report in GoHighLevel. This feature is incredibly useful for agencies looking to prospect new clients and present them with detailed professional audits that showcase gaps in their online presence. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the GoHighLevel login page and sign into your account. Make sure you're using your credentials associated with your agency manager account, as this will give you access to all the prospecting tools you need. Once you're logged in, if you manage multiple agencies or sub-accounts, you'll see an account switcher at the top of the screen. Click on it and ensure you're logged in as the agency manager account rather than any individual client account. Next, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Prospecting. This section is where GoHighLevel's prospecting magic happens, allowing you to find businesses that could benefit from your services. On the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a button labeled Add Prospect. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter a search keyword or type of business you want to target. For this tutorial, let's try searching for grocery store to see what opportunities are out there. On the next tab, you'll need to input the location where you want to search for these grocery stores. This helps narrow down your results to businesses in your target market. For this video, let's go ahead and enter New York, then hit search. GoHighLevel will now scan for businesses matching your criteria in that location. You'll see a map appear showing where these grocery stores are located. Scroll down and review each business listed. Here's where it gets interesting. You can see business names, conversion rates, online presence indicators, such as whether they're using WordPress and if they have an active Google business profile, store ratings, and whether they have an active website. This data gives you immediate insight into which businesses might need your help. Select from these results and click on the Add button on the right part of the screen. Once you've added a prospect, you'll see every detail of this business from their name and website to their exact address and phone number. Now click on Generate Report. This is where GoHighLevel compiles all the data into a comprehensive marketing audit. After clicking, navigate back by clicking Back to Prospect Accounts on the top left of your screen. Click on the business you've chosen, and on the top right, click on Show Report. You'll be redirected to the Marketing Audit Report page. Wait for a bit while GoHighLevel generates the detailed report for prospecting. This process analyzes multiple aspects of the business's online presence and marketing effectiveness. Once the report finishes generating, read through the overview of each business factor. You'll see detailed insights into their website performance, SEO health, social media presence, and more. This comprehensive report becomes your pitch tool, showing potential clients exactly where they're falling short and how your agency can help them improve. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.